Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. This project is predicting at-risk students at different percentages of course length. Online learning platforms face several challenges such as students' lack of interest, high dropouts, low engagement, students' self-regulated behavior, and compelling students to take responsibility for setting their own goals. We propose a predictive model that analyzes the problems faced by risk students, subsequently facilitating instructors for timely intervention to persuade students and increase their study engagements and improve their study performance. The predictive model is trained and tested using various machine learning algorithms to characterize the learning behavior of students according to their study variables. The predictive model can help instructors in identifying at-risk students early in the course for timely intervention, thus avoiding students' dropouts. This is the flow of our project. First, we will be loading the data set, that is the details of student exam score and number of previous attempts all are being loaded as the data set. In the data set, the data are being firstly pre-processed setup will be handling the missing data, any cell without value being named or removed. After the pre-processing the data set, now we move to split the data set into training data and testing data. In this, 70% of data are being set into the training set, which is used for train the data set. 30% of data are being set into the test set, which is used for comparison or evaluation. After splitting the dataset, now we move to use the classified algorithm to predict at-risk student and also finding the value of accuracy, FN score and precision. Now we have used the 4 types of algorithms such as decision tree, logistic regression, random forest and also XGBoost algorithm. Or the correct number of predictions are made in the predicting the at-risk of student. Now we proceed our process in programming interface. We will now be looking into the running procedure of our process. So I will running the program first. So here the first thing we will be loading our data set and we have print the first few values of the data set. There are no missing values of in any of column. So now we move to the classification algorithm. In logistic algorithm, we get the accuracy as 80%, and we also apply the random forest algorithm. So random forest algorithm, we get the accuracy as 72%, and we have also applied the decision tree algorithm. With decision tree algorithm, we get the accuracy as 84%. Now we have applied the XGBoost algorithm. XGBoost algorithm, we get the accuracy as 88%. So probably it's a XGBoost algorithm is highly accusation. And here is the data frame of our data set. So this is the original data set and number of previous attempts and pass rate, exam scores, and it's a training data set. We have to split the training set and a testing data set. So it's a train data set and testing data sets. So now we come to the prediction part. And then we plotting the some value of our final score, our target values. So 0 is distinction, 1 is fail, 2 is pass. So this is the plotting values, and also we compare the algorithms accuracy also. So this is our algorithms: linear regression, random forest, decision tree and XGBooster. So probably XGBooster is a high accuracy value.